Okay.
Món chùa Phật
Good.
như vậy.
Yeah,
A little bit.
More. A little
Yes.
more. To the pan.
Yes, that's the pan.
We have the scrambled tofu ready.
High heat.
High heat.
A little bit oil.
A little bit of oil. And this is the secret.
Yes.
Turmeric.
Turmeric.
Okay.
Medium heat.
Turn it down.
Yes.
And
This saute is not right, okay?
so not burning it, just like
Smooth.
yeah, easy on the top.
Yes. Easy. It's so easy. Yes. Around 1 minute.
1 minute.
Yes. Veggies.
Then we have veggies,
Yes.
roasted vegetables. And this
About half teaspoon.
okay.
Teaspoon. And
Pepper.
yes.
Awesome. And then it turns yellow.
Yes. Long heat.
Okay.
And some small pepper.
More pepper.
Yeah. Salt. Oh, yes.
Perfect. A little bit of
Yes.
smells good.
Yes. And some hot if you want. Spring
Just to make
onion.
it look,
Yes. Or something hot. Whatever you want. Yes.
Do you put onions in it? Oh, do you have onions, garlic?
No, onion.
A little
No.
bit onion in there.
Yes. No garlic. Try it.
It's hot.
Yeah.
This is good.
Yeah. Con á. Con đang mấy con á.
Original Vietnamese tofu.
Ôi hả?